Hi everyone, this is the useless unboxing. So just received this package from Amazon. This is the latest version of egg from iChicken. Please bear in mind that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by iChicken, so this will be the honest review that you can count on if you decide to get one of those. From the beginning, I'm already surprised with the packaging. It comes in a nice box. I like it. Attention to small details. Thumbs up for that. So let's see what's inside. Here's the latest egg from iChicken. We'll review it later. Let's find out first what comes in the box. So what we have here? Wiping stuff packed in a plastic. Standard USB power brick and typical for all iChicken products Type-C cable. By the way, C stands for chicken. Brilliant marketing move. So that's all with the box. Let's review the main product. Egg white edition from iChicken. There's a small red icon on the bottom part. I guess it will disappear from heavy use, so if you'd like to protect it, you need to use egg cover as well. Let's find out how durable it is against scratches we might get during everyday use. This year iChicken did a very good job protecting exterior parts. Now let's test one of the main features of this model and the main reason why this model is so popular. X-Pin technology allows you to connect to Mercury and your microwave at the same time without interfering to the Death Star engine starter system. And it takes only 25 seconds to do so pretty impressive. Also this year iChicken surprised us with the color and size variety. Newly released iChicken Egg Beige and iChicken Beige Light Mini. Let's find out how durable are those three models. Yep, you saw everything, so it's up to you guys. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this kind of latest technology review, and see you in the next video.